Hey there, little explorer. It's me, Auntie Hippo. Welcome back to the reading club. Have you ever had a squid in your ear? No? Well, this boy did. Let me tell you the story. It was a bright, happy day under the sea. A tiny baby squid swam in circles, twirling and giggling. The water sparkled, and even the pufferfish family was smiling. Then, boom! A shadow appeared. Fish zoomed away. The little squid tried to escape, but swoosh! A net caught him. He squirted ink, but it was no use. Trapped, alone, scared! The squid closed his eyes and drifted into a deep sleep. When he woke up, everything felt strange. No water, just voices. Mummy, look at this tiny squid. Can I keep him? He's so cute. The squid blinked. A giant face was looking at him, a human boy. The boy's eyes were big and full of wonder. The squid wasn't sure if he could trust him. He needed to escape. The boy leaned in closer and splat! The squid jumped into his ear. Ah, Mom! Help! There's a squid in my ear! The boy yelled, hopping around. Ow! 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 Why did you do that? He groaned, holding his head. I was scared, said the squid, his tiny voice echoing inside. And your ear seemed cozy, but, I really need water. The boy took a deep breath. Okay, no more ear hiding. He tilted his head and pop! The squid tumbled out. Phew! That's better, said the squid, wiggling his tentacles. The boy had an idea. He filled a big jar with water and placed the squid inside. Ah, sighed the squid, much better. Just like that, they became best friends. The boy took the squid everywhere. They played hide-and-seek, watched cartoons, and even went to the park. The squid gasped at the world outside the ocean. What a big place, he exclaimed every day. One morning the boy had the best idea ever. I'll take you to school. My friends will love you. The squid wiggled excitedly. Ooh, an adventure. But then, crash! The boy tripped. The jar slipped from his hands, bounced, and smash! Broke into tiny pieces. No! The boy cried as the squid tumbled, down, 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 into a dark open drain. Silence. Squiddy? The boy whispered. Oh no! Days passed. The boy missed his little friend. Every afternoon he dropped fish food into the drain, hoping it would reach him. I hope you're okay down there, he whispered. Then one day, as he unpacked his shopping, he felt something wiggle on his hand. He looked down. A tiny, wiggly tentacle was waving at him. The squid grinned. Miss me? The boy scooped him up, laughing. How did you find me? I took the long way home, said the squid, winking. And they stayed best friends forever. The end! Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more magical adventures. I can't wait to see you next time in the Reading Club. Bye-bye.